drag and drop this image over here. Okay, your image is visible in your viewport, right? Did you see that?
Yes.
Yeah. Shift and at the same time F press. Okay, then you can make it frame like this. You can do it like this, but okay, you can do this thing like this. And for advanced technique, you need to use Photoshop. Okay.
Okay.
So you can use this image if it works. You can save it. Let's save. Okay. Okay, I will put this image in reply in your email. That's the process. Work in 3ds like this kind of a thing. Okay. Now, do you have any question about this
okay,
modeling?
No, it's fine.
Okay. So today I wanna
Yeah. Now, after when you talk about the material,
yeah,
if you teach me how to put the material, no, in this I didn't do, but I'm doing another one.
yeah.
How I can put the material to the windows done from 3D Studio.
Windows.
Now, this is a simple plane, but if I was trying to do a Windows like you teach me,
yeah,
the Windows have a fire object material. I didn't know how giving material to that Windows.
Okay, so maybe first of all, put a window over here.
Yep.
So you need to go to the
Windows up.
Yeah, Windows.
Yep.
Then maybe sliding, for example.
Yes.
And make sure you need to select just vertex and ignore all this thing. And I perspective view, then make it 3, then create windows like this, make the height over here. Okay, move. So you don't have any frame, so make sure you have a thickness of your frame, so make it large. This is frame. Okay. What about your unit setup? CM, customize unit setup. decimal inch. Here centimeter. Okay. Okay, maybe this is your sliding window.
Yeah.
So you need to put material over here. So if
Yeah.
you put material in this window, make sure you need to apply it edit poly, but edit poly not works for material. So one option is make it convert to editable poly. Okay, then you can apply material like this. Maybe I need a water material, so maybe I work in Corona, so I 10 Corona. Then maybe you create a glass material from Corona, maybe physical, for example. And you can also apply presets. Okay, so Corona also produce the presets of maybe glass, chrome, so you can use preset of glass. So your glass material is ready, just one click. Okay, for shortcut. Then you can apply the glass material over here. If press F2 for see this your face. Now press Ctrl and I for inverse selection. Okay, Control I for inverse selection.
I like
Yeah, I for inverse.
Inverse. Okay.
Inverse selection. Okay, so I had glass. If I press Ctrl and I for inverse selection, then maybe put a metal material. So again, go to the maybe Corona physical or Corona legacy. Then you can, but in legacy you not apply maybe presets, so you can maybe if you apply in preset in material slot, you need to select Corona physical material, then just preset here maybe like a chrome or copper rough, like metal, anything metal, maybe for example this one, then assign it. Okay, you can make it black also. Okay, your material is okay. So this is an option, and another way to apply material, unhide all. So another option to create material, maybe I create another window over here. So again, sliding maybe. So another, you can apply edit mesh over here. So modify list, edit mesh, edit mesh. Okay, so in edit mesh you can now select polygon like this. So then apply glass over here, and then Control I for inverse selection, then apply metal material over here. Done. So in polygon, select both side, assign. Okay,
What is the difference about putting mesh or polygon?
yeah, I'll tell you. Okay, done. So in edit mesh, you can go back your sliding window parameters. Okay, got the point. In edit
Yes.
mesh as a modifier over this sliding window, so you can back your previous sliding window parameters, and then you can control this window like this. But if you apply editable poly, then you
Mhm.
can back go back your mother properties, your mother parameters. So that's the
Okay.
difference between edit mesh and edit poly. So you can apply both, like edit mesh and edit poly, what's suitable for you. You decide that. Okay.
Yes. Let's say that I model all the windows of the house.
Yeah,
I I have to give edit mesh one windows by one windows, or I can select all the windows and apply to all together edit mesh
you can apply all uh,
all together.
all together in edit mesh. Okay, you can do
Okay.
that. Also, you can put, maybe in this two object you can apply editable poly, then they're differently applied editable poly. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay, I wanna today I decide to show you material.
Okay.
In material, in this is compact material, but if you 1 minute. Okay, if you use in slate material, you can also use slate. So I wanna show you the
I never
difference
use that.
between shell uh, is slate material and compact. So if you can go compact and you can go slate. So do you use the slate material ever?
No.
Okay, slate material is more flexible, and it's more advanced, but more convenient and more easier if you work on properly in here. So maybe you create a material in slate. So in mouse press left click, then you find materials, maps, and all other things. So we wanna work on basically materials and maps. Okay, so in materials you can find here general, then this is default 3ds, but
Mhm.
we are use render engine, then
Corona.
you can use Corona and Vray. So materials, then Corona, you can here make Corona light material, maybe Corona all this thing, the volumetric, physical, legacy. Maybe I put Corona physical. So in here, you can find this slate all over this list. So in yesterday that I briefed, this all base color, rough, reflection, all this thing here, displacement, bump. So in base color, if you so in base color, you can use the base color over here. So you can select the color in this option. You can also make it large. So open new window, you can make it bigger. Okay, so you can all this thing over here, reflection, and if you can use the map, maybe you
Mhm.
have a displacement map, you can add displacement over map over here, or maybe you can use bump map. So you can use bump map over here. So how to create map? So for creating map, you can press click left click in your mouse, then maps, then you can use general bitmap or you can use Corona bitmap. So maybe this is my bump map, for example. So your map is here. So you can link in this map in your maybe base bump or displacement or bump. So your bump is active. Okay. Then it's already showed your bumping effect. Okay. As you can see here, hairline brush. So if you increase the value, bump value, so double click here, then it will show in left, in right, how put the amount of your bump. So okay, base bump, maybe so maybe another thing like so bump. Okay, let's try with material Corona, then Corona legacy material for advance. So diffuse, you can put color, diffuse color, any other color like this. You can also delete it. Then you can use reflection, all this thing is here. Then maybe you put a bump map. So map, general, bitmap, maybe. Then you can use the bump map. So this is more flexible, okay? And if you have a double display in double monitor, you can one monitor you can put your material, one monitor you can put your rendering or modeling. Then link the bump over here. Then it uh, so I need to increase the bump value. So you can increase bump value over here, increase it, then it will works like this is your bump. Okay,
Mhm.
if I clear it or you can delete it, your bump will vanish. So this is an example. You can also use here displacement. So if you put this in displacement, then increase the displacement value over here. Or this not working. Also, you can use in one map. You can use both, like displacement and bump. Okay, and in this and same image, you can put in diffuse. That's the interesting part in this slate map material. Okay, so you can also maybe reflection. As you can see, you can create material like this. If you put glossy, so in one map, you can use multiple in a different slot. Okay, so another interesting part in this here, maybe this is view one. Okay, so maybe you can maybe you create 10 material over this viewport, and then you can put another viewport like this. So here in this right click and then create new view. Okay, view 2. Okay, then you put this is a very new one, new viewport. You can use more material in this here. So uh in compact material slot, you have a limited option to create material. Okay, you can increase this kind of box, but in a slate material, they have unlimited material making slot. Okay, you can use so many material over here.
How
Your
can I navigate in by view?
and you can navigate like this. Your
Okay, okay, I saw that now. I saw.
let's just zoom in and zoom out, and you can all select all this thing. You can any here you put this here. This is unlimited uh space. Okay, you can put
Okay, so I can
here.
divide like material for outside, material for inside, material for the building.
Yeah, so also you can make it copy like shift, press shift, and then you can copy it. Okay, so maybe this viewport is full, then you can create another viewport. So what your question, please tell me again.
No, I get. I say, I get.
Okay. So this is the benefit of slate material. So today's lots of artists use this material slot because of it have it have interesting some interesting thing and some flexibility. That's why lots of people choose it. So you can use both and then decide what is suitable for you, and then you can works.
And
So in
how can I
basic
apply
thing,
the material after?
how can apply?
Apply the
Okay,
material.
oh okay, so that's also very simple. Maybe this material is okay ready for to assign. So you simply just here, as you can see here, just
Yeah,
drag and drop over your object. So maybe I want to put this material in my ceiling, in my roof.
yeah.
Then here, just drag and drop over here.
Okay,
Okay, another option to assign material, select the object, and here also in icon, like
yeah.
here, assign material to selection, click here, then it will assign, or just drag and drop like this in here. Okay, then you make it UV map, then maybe box. You can adjust the UV mapping over here. Okay, so that's the basic some basic thing um, about slate material editor. Okay, so in previous class you have a question how to save the material. So if you maybe you wanna delete this thing, maybe you wanna save this material for use another 3ds file. Okay, so how to save it? Create another material, Vray, then Vray material. Okay, for diffuse I can select a map, Vray bitmap, and choose a PBA material. Maybe this marble. So that would be our diffuse map, and another you can use in reflection. Make it large. And that would be maybe also our bump displacement and bump. Where is bump? It's here. Okay, you can increase the bump value in here, maybe 80. Okay, so this is near like marble. So close it, Then I want to save this material, for example. So first of all, you need to new material library, then this PC, maybe D, save marble. Okay. Save here. Then our folder is saved. Now I just put this material over here, then material will save. In next step, you need to click the right click in your mouse and cursor will top of this marble, then right click, then here make it save. Done. Now I wanna again reset this file. So reset, don't save, yes. So now I will check finally that how it works or not. Press M, then marble material. Again you need to open material library, then D, save marble, open this material. F10, you need to go to the Vray, otherwise maybe that not works. So Vray 6, then boom, it will works finally in marble, as you can see here. That works now. So now you can put this material in here, Shift J for hide this kind of a thing, put this material over here. Okay, it works. Okay, so in Corona there also maybe worked. So reset this file again, and then lastly I will check it in Corona. Okay, so in here material library, then I had saved it before in Corona, put material. So click here, nothing is there. So F10, I will convert this file into a Corona engine. So Corona, then boom, it will works. Okay. So you need to, if you create use this material, first of all you need to your render engine selected in Corona or Vray, what and then it will works. And then maybe you can put this material over here, you can put it like this, then movie map box. Okay, done. So clear this thing, are you clear? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, that's the all this thing in material. So I wanna announce again there, you wanna know about this drilling bitmap and like here copy paste object script. So maybe you wanna copy this material or this object in another file. So just select this file and then copy this object is here, then go to maybe another file, reset, don't save, yes. So you can now paste this file in another file. Okay, in that way you can faster your workflow by copy paste. Again you can another paste, you can. Okay, so I in next class I'll try to show you the how to use copy paste script and how to make the script by using default, and you can also use chat GPT for this. I want to teach you later. And reeling bitmap all this thing.
Mm.
Okay, I want to close this class
Only
now.
one question I have.
Yeah, yeah, sure.
When I have a texture that have a dimension,
Yeah.
like bricks or like a grass, how I know which size I have to put? Mm,
Yeah, that will depends in your ground. So maybe you want to put grass in a plane. Maybe that would your ground. Okay,
yes.
so you want to put a grass. mm, Maybe corona. Then in legacy material, you don't want to think. In corona materials, you no need to think about the size. Okay, so in here maybe you put ground material. So are you see there in ground or grass kind of a thing? Nature, not why it is ground. Okay, for example, I want to assign this thing in here. So in corona material, you know, no need to think about that. You just apply EV map and then press here real world size map. Then it will merge in actual size. But in Vray, you need to put the value. Okay. So file reset. Vray 6. Okay. In Vray material, so maybe you put this glass in here, grass. then you need to UV mapping. Okay, so you tell that how to fix the amount. Okay, so first of all UV map, then box, then you need to first of all make it manually like this, and then you need to hit render, and then you check it that what suitable for you. Okay, you need to uh, work with EVW map and then length, height, width. So lot of case maybe 6 in one value. Okay, and then you will test render and then adjust the size. In
So
that
you have
way,
to, it's only try.
yeah, try. You need to trial and try to make perfect size. And if you have a reference, maybe you can use a brick. Okay, so
Yeah.
you can use a brick, and then you can put a rectangle like this, put a rectangle and in your brick size. Okay, so maybe this is your brick size. Then you will put a maybe brick texture over here like this. um, okay, maybe assign this brick texture over here. Then you can maybe, for example, maybe this is your brick size. Okay, then you need adjust the brick size according to your this reference. So go to the gizmo and resize hard your reference, put in your middle portion, then gizmo, then R, then adjust like this. Okay, in that way you can fix the size. So, okay, so if as one brick is resized, that means all this brick will proper size right now according to this reference. Okay, got it?
Yes.
Okay, that's the technique to make a scale in your texture. Okay, that's all for today.
Yes.
And next day we'll join again.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks for watching.
Thanks a lot.
This
Okay.
class, I'll share the record later. Okay, thank you.
Okay, perfect. Bye. Bye.
Bye.